The impact of debt and credit. Today, we will talk about this with you, dear subscribers. In the modern world we live in, debt has become an almost invisible system. It exists in advertisements, in banking apps, and even in our everyday conversations. Installment payments, 0% credit, flexible terms. All of this feels simple and safe. But often we forget one important truth. Debt is the act of using your future income today. And every time you take on debt, you bring a piece of your future into the present. The psychology of decision-making. Taking on debt is not just a financial decision, it is a psychological one. The human brain is wired for instant gratification, to have now, to use now, to feel good now, but to pay later. The problem is, the brain often values present rewards more than future consequences, and this is why many people accept credit so easily, without fully feeling its long-term impact. The mechanics of interest, a system against time. Interest is the core of any credit system, and what makes it powerful is that it works against you. As time passes, you work, but interest works too. If you don't understand the system, you work for money. If you do understand it, money works for you. Most people never realize this difference. The hidden stress of debt. The heaviest part of debt is often the one you cannot see. It's the constant, silent stress. It follows you at work, at home, even when you try to rest. This stress is not always loud. Sometimes it is quiet, but persistent. And the most dangerous part is, you can get used to it. The decline in decision quality. As debt increases, the quality of your decisions begins to change. You stop thinking long-term and start thinking short-term. How do I get through this month? Replaces, how do I build wealth? And at this point, growth slows down and survival takes over. The deep mechanism of the debt spiral. The debt spiral may seem simple. One loan, then another, and another. But beneath it lies a deeper mechanism. Each new loan feels like buying time, but that time is never free. You buy time, but you sell your freedom. Social pressure in debt. Often, debt doesn't come from necessity, but from comparison. What others have, how others live, and naturally, we want the same. But here is a truth. Visible wealth is not always real wealth. Sometimes, it is simply well-hidden debt. The positive side of credit, control and strategy. Still, credit itself is not the enemy. It is a tool. When used correctly, it can create opportunities. So what makes the difference? Control. If you control credit, it serves you. If you don't, you serve it. A simple truth, but a powerful one. The way out, a real strategy. Getting out of debt requires more than motivation. It requires a system, a plan, and most importantly, honesty. Honesty with yourself, recognizing your income, facing your expenses, and making real changes. It is not easy, but it is possible. Conclusion: conscious living. Debt is not the problem. It is a signal about your financial decisions. And if you understand that signal, you can change your life. Financial freedom does not come from one big move, but from small, conscious decisions. The choice you make today shapes the life you live tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing. Here we break down complex financial realities into simple and meaningful insights. See you in the next video.